We are from Idle Sons, and you're watching TV Western. Sweet.
Besides food and water, another important part of the university diet is my favorite, coffee. Some people just can't function until they've had their morning fix. The Word finds out what the word coffee means to you.
Our word this week is coffee. I know for some of us it is the lifeline that keeps us going to those early morning classes and early work shifts. I know for myself, there are a few things in the morning I like to do before indulging in that rich brown beverage that fills my senses and lifts my spirits. Especially during this busy time when exam and essay deadlines are looming just around the corner, there are a few things that help me get through like a good cup of joe. And I don't want to leave those tea drinkers out there alone because, let's be honest, we're all in it together. So my first question for all of you is, are you a coffee or tea drinker?
I drink both, but I prefer tea, actually.
Coffee. Actually, I'm not a tea drinker. I've never actually even tasted tea, but coffee, yes. Too bitter for me, just coffee by itself, but I'm more into the ice cap, so I like ice caps better.
I am a coffee drinker.
I'm a coffee person.
Yes.
Avid coffee drinker, yes.
I drink tea.
Both. Coffee.
As I said before, I love my coffee. It wakes me up in the morning and it keeps me up on those late study nights. I also genuinely love the taste of a good cup of coffee. I was doing some research and I also found that there are hundreds of phytochemicals in a single cup of coffee or tea, which acts as antioxidants in the body, which is just another plus in my books. So why do you drink coffee?
I thought it's good for me, or that's what I've been told, so I drink it. And it's actually, when I study, it's actually kind of good. It helps me concentrate and focus on whatever I have to read.
Because it tastes good. I like to roll up the rim.
Keeps me more alert is what I think, or maybe psychological.
It wakes me up, it tastes good, helps me go to the washroom, a bunch of things.
I drink coffee because it keeps me awake. I guess roll up the rim season, maybe I might win some money.
Well, right now it's mostly because there's roll up the rim, but when there's exams and stuff, it keeps the mind sharp.
I can't really function without coffee, so I could actually probably be hooked up to an IV of coffee.
Just for roll up the rim until I win something.
I drink tea because it tastes good and it's relaxing.
Usually I drink more when I have essays coming up, so it's essay season right now. That's why.
81% of Canadians say they drink coffee on an occasional basis, while 63% say they drink coffee every day. The average Canadian drinks 2.6 cups of coffee a day, making it the #1 beverage choice among adults in Canada. My next question puts the statistics to the test. Do you drink coffee regularly, and if so, how much?
I try to drink once a day. Green tea, I heard it's good for you, so.
2 cups a day?
I think I have it like once every week, and then during exams maybe twice or even thrice.
2 cups a day.
Probably 1 to 2 cups a day.
Probably like 2 cups.
I'm gonna go with 4 cups.
Probably only once a week.
Probably twice a day.
I had 17 last week, and I'm at 0 wins for the roll up the rim contest.
Fun fact, did you know that dark roasts are smoother because they contain less fiber content than lighter roasts and a more sugary flavor? Similarly, lighter roasts are more bitter because they have more caffeine, and the aromatic oils that are apparent in the darker roasts have been burned off in longer roasting times. As for myself, I enjoy a nice dark roast since I'm all about the flavor, but I must admit, I do like that cream and sugar to make it divine. As for the rest of Canada, 20% like their coffee completely black, 7% like just a sweetener in it, 33% like some sort of dairy product only, and 40% enjoy their coffee with a dairy product and a sweetener. So moving right along, if you do drink coffee, when did you start?
From a very young age, my parents were heavy believers that chamomile tea is good for whatever you have. So if I have a cut, pour some chamomile tea on it. If I have a cold, drink some chamomile tea. So from a very young age.
Grade 7?
In university, like in high school, I'd have it once in a while just because I like the taste of the ice cap. But now I actually have it to keep me awake during exams and stuff, yeah.
When I was in grade 11, so I was like 15, 16.
I probably started when I was 13.
Definitely university.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with university too.
I guess when I was 10.
I probably started when I was 15 because my dad drinks tea every day. So I used to make it for him and then I just started drinking it too.
About 2 weeks ago.
Lately, there's been discussion about Western opening up a 24/7 coffee shop here on campus. Would you utilize this and support it if it became a reality?
No, that's so unnecessary. Because you can just make your own coffee if you're that desperate.
That would be nice because I actually stay close to campus and the only Tim Hortons around here is on campus.
Yes, because for all those people that stay at Social Sci for like all night and play games, it's really good.
Yeah, I think there should be. Yeah. Why? Because I think it supplies everyone here with constant coffee. Tim Hortons is pretty packed all the time, so it'd be nice to have another coffee shop here.
Now there's another reason I chose coffee as the word for this week, and that is the contest we all know and love, or hate, at Tim's called Roll Up the Rim. As if I don't drink coffee enough already, I find myself purchasing more in the hopes of winning more. Legal gambling and legal psychotropic beverages, count me in. Which brings me to my next question. Do you find yourself purchasing more Tims when it's time for Roll Up the Rim?
Yeah, actually, except I suck at roll up the rim, and I think I've won once, and I got a donut. So out of like 100 teas that I've drank throughout my career, I probably won once, so I probably shouldn't buy as much. But it is very exciting to roll up the rim.
No. I don't buy coffee by itself. I usually buy the ice cap, and the ice cap doesn't come with roll up the rim, so no.
Actually, I have. And I've won 3 coffees, so it's awesome.
I buy more coffee from Tim Hortons because of that.
Definitely.
Not so much. It doesn't really change how much I drink, but probably just I go drink Tim Hortons coffee more than I would go anywhere else.
Yeah, a lot more.
No, not at all.
Absolutely.
If you have a love of coffee, you have a favorite brand. Personally, I really enjoy Second Cup's coffee, but Starbucks is a close second. Although Has-Beans in our farmers market here in London makes my favorite latte of all time. Of course, one can't always afford such luxuries, and Tim Hortons makes a good cup of coffee that does the job every time. So what's your favorite brand?
I don't know, I'll have to say Timmy's, because it's probably the cheapest and most convenient. I'm not very picky on brand or anything, where if it's tea, I'll drink it.
Starbucks, but there's no Starbucks on campus.
I guess on campus, Tim Hortons, but besides that, probably Starbucks.
Actually, one of my favorite kinds of coffee is from McDonald's. McDonald's has really good coffee.
Oh, not really, but Timmy's for roll up the rim, because it's like gambling.
I just drink tea from anywhere usually. There's not much difference.
I like double-double, so Tim Hortons. I can't handle the dark coffees.
Thus far, I've won twice and lost 12 times. A friend of mine won a $100 Tim's card, which got me very excited. And who could forget the student who won $10,000 at our very own Natural Science building, whom I would like to congratulate on behalf of all of us here at The Word. Well, that's it for today's episode. Thanks so much for joining in, and I leave you today with one final question. Have you won anything? Remember to keep joining us for all of our word adventures. Cheers.
Probably like a donut. Yeah, a donut.
Nothing.
No.
Not at all.
Nope.
Absolutely nothing. My girlfriend won something, but she lost the prize, so we're still working on getting it back.
Hi, I'm Rick Mercer from the Mercer Report, and you're watching TV Western.
Thanks for watching another exciting episode of TV Western. The year may be coming to an end, but there's still lots of fun to be had.
Remember, if you like what you saw today, please check us out at tvwestern.ca. I'm C.
And I'm Lauren.
And this has been a TV Western production.
I'm just a patio rock star, waving at the passing cars. I'm just a patio rock star, been known to get this far. I'm just a patio rock star, open for your favorite. Patio rock star, open for your favorite. Just a patio rock star, open for your favorite CD.